Ladies? Okay.
I don't like
Ladies as well. Ladies. There you go. What about you? Good support? Yeah, certainly. There you go.
I afford it. Right? No, here you go.
Nice try. Portal Baileys.
that clears it.
All right, well done. Right. Gift for the adults first. Portal Baileys.
Salisbury Baileys.
Welcome to Worthing Forest Shoreline. We hope you enjoy your visit today. During the journey, do not lean out of any of the windows. A serious injury may result. I believe I just heard reindeer hooves. Maybe Santa's about. If you're all very good, he'll be coming to see you, each one of you, at your seat during your journey. So keep your eyes open for him. Also on the train today, we have no surprise for everybody, and a little cookie for all the adults. And also, we are running a fundraising raffle. Prizes include a bottle of wine, box of chocolates, a selection box of biscuits, and all proceeds go to the Deer Forest Rover Society, a registered charity, and will be used to maintain and develop our railway. Our raffle team will be coming through the train during the journey if you would like to buy tickets, and winners will be announced towards the end of the journey.
Do you guys like your raffle tickets? When to call it? Is it on the train?
Did you say payment ticket?
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice trade.
name is on Swift. Is it which is single?
No, she really is what I call it. And then I only use like one. So no, I just bought
Hi, nice to see you. Happy Christmas to you. I don't have specific yeah, go on.
Do you like 5?
I'd rather have a in which case, somebody else has got no. You sure?
No one really tell.
Someone else is married. Never mind. We'll try better next time. Okay, there we go. Very good.
You told him.
Hi boys. I'll give you a hand back.
I know that it's a pie round. Alex bag. Alex oh yeah,
where are you all from?
England.
Yeah. Sometimes people say the boss has been talking.
You sweating? Huh? So you sweating?
Oh, my head's more than
It's great.
yes, it goes.
What, Mum's got you a green and yellow plate.
There is a present.
I've seen it.
Get out of my elves had a store.
Alex,
And we
what do you
opened it.
say? Thank you.
Oh, thank you. But the trouble is, with all these whiskers, it looks like eyes going to be mixed up. So I'm very kind of you. And I will resist those. So I love those. Tell me your names.
Zane.
Do you know what you want for Christmas? What you do?
I want a little PSP football kit.
Great, okay. And I'm sure that can be arranged. Are you watching the international?
Yeah.
Yes.
I love football.
Right, yeah. Yeah, that's great. What would you like? Well, I think that can be arranged. Yeah, it should be alright.
Might have been arranged.
Yeah. And where are you all from?
But, by the way, school said you can't take in smart watches. Mum, our teacher said that you can't take
The sun. Anyway, sorry.
Mummy, the teacher said you're not allowed to take in any like hairbands, smart watches, any sort of watches. No.
Anyway, have a lovely Christmas and haircut.
Join your friend to Santa by name Mark Moon. Is that okay, Santa?
Yes, of course.
Do you want Santa to get it by music? And I'll take a photo. I get you in as well. Oh, you're there.
Okay, right. There we are.
What's in the cup?
Okay.
There we go, all good. Thank you, Santa.
Thank you. Have a lovely Herefordshire Christmas.
Don't forget your special bell.
No, I won't. I'll bring it down the carriage. Bye then.
Bye-bye.
You can't be. You didn't need it. Not what she's saying. I want to go to this because it's
We will shortly be arriving at Park End, where the locomotive will run around the train and take water. We'll be at Park End for just under 20 minutes. There are toilet facilities at Park End if you require them. If you are alighting here, please make sure your door is alongside the platform before alighting. And be back on board for our departure time, which will probably be about 25 to 30.
It's a ghost.